Welcome to the myTRIAList Trial Finder. This video walks you through how the Trial Finder works to find the best possible cancer clinical trials for you. We encourage you to answer the questions to the best of your ability to find the most relevant trial results. When you select Find a Trial, you are taken to the Trial Finder. Click into the blank box below to search for a specific cancer. If you do not know the specific cancer, scroll through the list and select a broader category. They are listed alphabetically, and some may have multiple options. The trial type and preferred trial phases are already selected to maximize the results. You'll see that some questions have a Help Me Choose option written under the answers. This feature explains the question and why we have to ask the question. Scroll down to the Preferred Treatment Location question. Here, you have the option to type a city or zip code into the search box. The city or zip code should represent the general area of where the participant wants to receive treatment. The next question asks how far the participant is willing to travel for care from the zip code entered above. Depending on your preferred treatment location and the distance selected, there may be few or no trial results found. By selecting a greater travel distance, you may receive more results. If there are too many trials, reduce the travel distance. When you click Show Results, the next page displays the trials matching your search. Each results page displays a maximum of 10 trials. If your search results in more than 10 trials, scroll to the bottom and click on the next page to view additional results. The details on these pages are imported directly from clinicaltrials.gov. To change anything about your search, click the Start New Search at the top of the page. Email these results to yourself or someone else by clicking the Share Results button. Some scientific terminology on this page may be hard to understand, so we added the National Cancer Institute's NCI Dictionary of Cancer Terms in the lower right corner. For example, if you're unsure about what endocrine therapy means, type the term in the NCI tool and a definition will appear. Click anywhere on the screen to hide the definition. On the right side of the page, you may see trials with videos. If you are a visual learner, we encourage you to watch the videos. To learn more, click the link below the video to see additional details about the trial. To return to the Matched Clinical Trials results page, click the Back button. To send a link to this trial to you or someone else, click on the Share button. If you selected a trial with the video, click the study contact under the video if you are interested in joining the trial. If the trial does not have a video, scroll to the map at the bottom of the page. This map shows trial locations near the zip code you entered previously. Many trials have multiple locations with contact information for each. They may not have complete information, so contact the facility directly for more details. Thank you for watching the Trial Finder tutorial. If you have additional questions, please visit the Contact Us page.